Come to work with me while answering this question. Hi, I thought you're leaving the cafe na po. Di po ba natuloy? Sometimes, chasing a dream means leaving behind everything you know. For me, that meant leaving my family, my hometown, and even my dream of becoming a teacher. I started working at my cousin's cafe just to get by, thinking it was temporary. But I grew to love it, the people, the hustle, and the small joy of each day. One day, my cousin told me she wanted me to be her business partner. I couldn't believe it, but with that opportunity came big responsibility and sacrifices. I had to leave my family and move to a new city. Saying goodbye to my family was the hardest part. They supported me, but leaving them behind felt like leaving a piece of my heart. Now, as a co-owner, I realize how much every penny counts. I make sure no stocks go to waste and that every decision helps the business grow. Running a cafe is expensive. There's rent, equipment, ingredients. I've become so much more aware of the operations. This journey has been full of lessons. It's not just about serving coffee anymore. It's about building something meaningful while learning the value of hard work, trust, and responsibility. Leaving home was tough, but it taught me to appreciate every small success and to take nothing for granted. For that, I'm forever grateful.